Bosch rear wiper blades offer an O-fit for specialty rear applications. Easy one-step installation with quick click adapter. Wear-resistant natural rubber wiping edge contributes to long service life. Specially coated wiping element ensures smooth and quiet operation. Engineered and designed to application-specific wiping systems. Bosch is a manufacturer of wiper blades, using the same high-quality standards, and many of the SKUs utilize the same design, as the original equipment blades. The rear wiper blades feature wear-resistant natural rubber to ensure smooth and quiet operation as well as a specially coated wiping edge to contribute to long service life. Bosch now has a rear wiper blade to suit all requirements for the most popular domestic, Asian and European vehicles. Top reviews from the United States. Fits my 2020 Nissan Rogue. It's been such a headache to find a rear wiper blade to fit my 2020 Nissan Rogue. The blade that came with my car, the rubber started to detach from the plastic blade, so I needed a replacement. After returning 2 blades to Advance Auto Parts because they didn't work, it's been frustrating to find a blade here on Amazon that would fit the specifications. The 2020 Rogue blade needs to have a thin, narrow, enough bar for the arms part to clip around? It's hard to explain. But this blade has the bar inside that's narrow enough to work and it fit perfectly. It's a nice clean and smooth wipe too. So happy my search is over and I know this is the part one need in the future.